When you talk about women, even the men who are watching, you have the woman in your house. Get that woman of yours and say, let's go and visit this place and learn you as a woman. Remember, a strong woman is supported by the husband. If you are the husband and you've seen this information, deliver it to your wife.
Yes.
And then also help her, support her in becoming a great woman out there. Give us your parting shots as we go away.
Okay. I've been warned to stop using this statement of the Muchiga in me, but
Yes.
sorry, I'll use it again. The Muchiga in me would like to call a spade a spade. You mentioned a point where not having money, it's if you're a woman and you don't have some money, it could be okay. Fellow woman, I want to tell you, and I'm going to look straight in the camera. You not having your money is not okay. Okay? Because even your husband will respect you in a certain way. I'm not saying they're not respecting you now, don't quote me wrong, but they will respect you in a certain way when he knows that if it is school fees time and I'm less by 20K, my wife is going to give it to me. Okay? And interestingly, by the way, men are very good people, more than us women. Every man wants to support a business, a woman who is doing something. It's not like you sit down and tell him, Mom, I need 100,000. Sometimes you don't even need to ask. He will see that with what you are doing, and they are willing to support. So a fellow woman out there, other than nurturing the children and wearing the nice hair and the nice nails and the nice dresses, can you wake up in the morning and do something for yourself? Because when you do, it's going to benefit your children, it's going to benefit your husband, it's going to benefit your relatives, everyone around you, but it is going to be so fulfilling for you. And then you will not feel that because my partner is away or something has happened, you are very scared of the next meal tomorrow. There is power in having your own financial freedom as a woman. And I also tell whoever listens that I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
A very different one.
Mm-hmm.
Very different one.
Yeah.
But I know that I couldn't be here without God. I cannot do anything without God.
Yeah.
Fellow woman, I know we pray a lot, we fast, we do all these things. You cannot serve God when you are poor.
Yeah.
You can't. They're like, whoever is telling you that you will serve God when you're poor, they are lying. For me, serving God is fulfilling part of my promises to my people, is to ensure that that girl has not been abused because she is looking for school fees. How do you support her without money? So for me, to even serve my God, I must be able to make my own money and serve whoever I'm supposed to serve, from my children, from my husband, from my whoever is around me. So come and grow yourself first before you even think of growing that daughter of yours. My daughter asked me the other day,